Πάρ' το χαμπάρι, δεν θα βγεις ζωντανός από εδώ, αν δεν τα ξεράσεις όλα. Μίλα! Μίλα, ρε! Δεν μιλάς, Πάρτε το, ρε, κι ώσπου να γυρίσω, θέλω να κελαϊδάει σαν πουλάκι.
Εγώ θέλω να σε βοηθήσω, αλλά δεν μπορώ. Σπαράζω έτσι που σε βλέπω. Πες του μόνο ένα όνομα, έτσι για να σωθείς. Βλέπεις, εγώ δεν μπορώ να κάνω τίποτα. Δεν μπορώ. Πες του μόνο ένα όνομα.
Δεν μιλάς, ρε τσόγρανε. Δεν μιλάς.
Honestly, you've no idea. I mean, everyone was screaming and shouting at one another, and then they took all the suitcases off the boat and just left us stranded there.
So you never go to Crete?
No.
And where is he now? I mean, your husband.
Oh, I don't know, somewhere in Europe. Actually, I think he's in Greece.
You were born in Melbourne?
Mm-hmm. Born and bred.
You're not sorry for your divorce?
No. No, I don't have anything I should be. I mean, well, we were very young and we just seemed to grow different ways, you know? We seemed to outgrow each other.
Στα δυο μου χέρια